Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a shuriken. Yes, that's right. We will be making a shuriken in Tinkercad. Making a shuriken is very easy. First you need to drag a wedge and duplicate the wedge and just drag the duplicated ones and decrease its height to 5. Enter. Yes. And decrease the length and breadth of the duplicated one that we have just decreased the height like this. And now move on to the second object, and here also we have to change the angle into minus 90 degrees. Yes, and decrease the height into 5. Yes, into 5. Now let me just quickly zoom in, and we have to increase the length and decrease the breadth somehow like this. Can increase the length, um, um, can increase the length how much you want. It's basically on you. And make that object into hole like this. It should look like this. And duplicate the whole object and change its angle into 90 degrees and drag it and align it with the object same like shown here. Yes, and then remember to carefully select the both whole objects. Don't select the solid object, and group the both whole objects. After grouping the whole objects, duplicate the whole objects and mirror them like this, and select both the solid and the whole objects and group them. Here, as we can see, we have designed the base of our shuriken, and now we just have to select it and drag and change its what happened. Oops, my mistake. Select it and drag it, and it should look something like this. Yes, and drag it and change the direction something like this and like this. Decrease its length and like this, and duplicate it once more and like this, and align it perfectly. And again duplicate it like this, and again duplicate it. It should look like this somewhat, and group the shuriken. And then for adding some looks into it, drag a cylinder, extend its length and put it at the center and decrease the height and group it. Oh, sorry, my bad. Ungroup it and turn the cylinder into whole object. Yes, turn the cylinder into whole object and increase the length and the breadth of the shuriken like this, and again align it like this, and yes, and group that. As we can see, we have successfully designed a shuriken like this. As we can see, we have successfully designed a shuriken, and please like, subscribe and share and ring the bell icon for more notifications like this. Thank you.